Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to my channel. My name is Roshan, but everyone here in the US calls me Roshan, so that's absolutely fine with me. I have done a lot of videos in the past showing various sculpting tutorials, some of the graphic designs that I have done, some 3D modeling that I have done, because that's something which I do in my leisure time because I like 3D animation and graphic design a lot. I do have a day job, full-time day job, so whenever I get time in the at night or early in the morning, I do something that I love doing it. This is my second video about unboxing a product, and I decided to do this on a video live, doing live recording. And when I say live recording, you would be seeing a recorded video, but talking about this unboxing video because I am super excited for my new toy, the new iPad 2020 12.9-inch iPad Pro. When I say iPad, it's the new iPad Pro 2020 model, and I'm super excited to unbox this and take a look what is inside the whole packaging. So I thought I should record this and talk about it rather than just showing some videos and throwing text over my videos and taking a lot of time in editing that. So this is my new iPad Pro. It doesn't look like iPad Pro right now because it's just in the package that came through today. It was dropped at my house, so I'm super excited to open this with you, and without delaying much, let's go and unbox this iPad Pro and let's see what's inside the packing. So this is the box. Let's open it. It came in pretty nice packaging. There is some dent here and there, so I'm a bit worried. It's not deep, but still there is some dent. I hope it has not destroyed my iPad. So it says to peel here. Okay, all right, so I suppose I need to turn it back up. Well, okay, I know, it's this way. Ooh, look at that, the iPad Pro, ladies and gentlemen, iPad Pro. Okay, let me take this one out. Okay, wow, now look at that. Now it looks like an iPad Pro, isn't it? Wow, nice. iPad Pro, Apple sign, iPad Pro here as well. Okay, what's behind? Okay, so this is, as I was saying, this is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 4th generation with Wi-Fi. It also comes in the model of Wi-Fi plus the cellular. I did not need the one with the cellular service, so I just went with the Wi-Fi because here there's Wi-Fi everywhere, and if I need a cellular, I can use my phone for that and connect it with this iPad, so I won't need the Wi-Fi plus cellular. But if you need one, you can go and get that one. And this is the 256 gig space because I already have a MacBook Pro, so I don't need enough space. Whatever I have, I could keep it there or keep an external storage drive. So 256 gigs was enough for me, so I just went for that one. So yeah, okay, so this says peel it here. Apple is pretty good with all the instructions of peeling it, so you don't have to, at least I've seen, put a knife or you'll have difficulty in opening it. So let's peel it from here. I'm being super careful in opening this stuff because apart from being excited, I also don't want to put any scratches even on the box, because heck, it's an iPad Pro. I don't want to destroy anything. I may keep this box as a souvenir, but let me remove all that. Okay, let's open up. Well, apparently there is second layer of packing. No, it's not. See, I'm opening it very carefully. So okay, Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, open up. Open up. It's taking big time because I'm taking my own time. And ta-da! I'll just keep this top box aside. Ooh, look at that. It comes with the cover, pretty easy. Just pull this plastic cover. Look at that, it's so sleek with its the camera and the LiDAR sensors LiDAR sensor. So we will take this cover out in just a minute, so I'll keep it aside. So what comes with it? So this is designed by Apple in California. Yep, we all know that. So I believe this is the instruction manual about the iPad Pro. Yes, welcome to iPad Pro and all. How would you navigate and all the other stuff. And what else do we have here? Oh, these are 2 stickers if you want to stick behind your iPad. I may not be doing it because it already comes with the sticker. And what else do we have here? I believe that's it. Is there anything else there? This looks thicker, but yeah, nothing else is there. Okay, it comes with the charging adapter, and this is again USB-C port. So it comes, and I love these USB-C ports. No more lightning. And this is the cable that comes with it, the charging cable. Pretty neat. And there, the case is always good. The packaging, whatever Apple gives, is I always love how they pack their iPhones or the Magic Mouse. You see one here. So I love the casing. It protects this, and there's a slot for the camera as well, so it protects the whole thing. And I'm pretty happy with the packaging, and nothing has happened to my iPad because I did show the small dents on my overall packaging, but so far it's so good. So I'll just keep it back for now, and I will take it out once we look at the iPad. Okay, whoa, I just bumped my camera. Okay, so let's open the iPad itself. It's pretty sleek. So again, peel this off. So good sensation opening this. Oh wow, look at that, nice packaging. Ooh, look at that. Let's look at the back first. 2 cameras, the LiDAR sensor, and I do have some personal engravings because the new model it comes with the personal engraving, which is free from Apple. So you could write your first name, last name, or phone number, whatever you want. 2 lines are provided in the when you buy directly from Apple. So I just engraved the month here, and I have the sign, and these 3 dots, you know, I think they are meant to work with the new Magic Keyboard that Apple has launched this month. So I believe it works with the one. And there is some design over here. I think it's the grip side. Okay, so this is the magnetic, you know, charging point, the magnetic connector. If you have an Apple Pencil, you can connect here, and it will record it will charge your Apple Pencil magnetically, which is one good thing. You don't have the lightning connector anymore where you have to plug in the Apple Pencil. If you would have seen older models of iPad Pro or iPad, they have lightning chargers, but it's a magnetic charging place where your Apple Pencil will get charged. 2 buttons, I believe these are volume up, volume down. We'll come to later on. On top you have this, I believe, which is a power button, and these are 2 speakers. And I believe iPad Pro comes with 4 set of speakers, 2 on the top, and yeah, 2 at the bottom. So 4 speakers on the iPad Pro. This is again the lightning, I think it looks a little bit better. Yeah, the lightning charge, not the lightning, I'm sorry, this is the USB-C charging port. No more lightnings in iPads. I believe this is the microphone for the iPad, and even here on the side you have one more, so I believe there are three, 1, 2 and 3 microphones. And on the top, if you see on top, there is the front camera and the sensors in the front, and I think there's a front microphone as well, if I'm not wrong. So overall looks, I'm super excited looking at this. It's awesome, you know, the thickness, the form fit and everything. I just love this, holding it. And since it's a 12.9 inch, 12.9 inch tablet, the screen size is awesome. It does not have, the bevel is nice. It doesn't have the home button as per the 3rd generation and previous iPads or iPad Pro. So I absolutely love this my iPad Pro. Awesome. Okay, so this was the unboxing of iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch. I don't think in the packing there's anything else, but I'll just try to turn it on and see if this turns on. Yes, it does. Voila. So they do send the packaging with some juice in it so that you can at least turn on and see if it works, and that goes with any product, I guess. So hello, and there you go. Now you can, maybe I will record another video of setting up my iPad or working it with my MacBook Pro. And I have ordered an Apple Pencil, which will be arriving maybe in a week or so. So I'm super excited with my iPad Pro again, and I will be uploading more videos of how I use this iPad, because mostly I'm going to use it for my 3D design. I'll be installing some of the softwares and for my graphic designing. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading more videos of using this new iPad Pro 2020 in terms of graphic designing, some of the apps that I'll be using. And all in all, I'm pretty much instantly I'm happy with the new iPad Pro, even without using it, because the features, it looks so super cool that I just can't wait to start using it. All right, thank you for watching, and do subscribe and give a thumbs up to my video, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you.